Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into a topic that many of you might be familiar with sciatica. It's that shooting pain from your lower back down to your feet that can really put a damper on your day. But fear not, because we've got the prescription for relief. Let's get started. So, what exactly is sciatica? It's like an unwelcome guest crashing the party, causing pain, tingling, and even weakness in your legs. So, when it comes to treating sciatica, doctors have a few tricks up their sleeves. Let's break down the prescriptions for relief. Relief back pain without any supplement. Download this book, Hip Flexors, from official website. Link in description. Non-surgical options are the first line of defense. Most folks find relief within a few weeks with these at-home remedies. Physical therapy, stretching, and exercise play a significant role. Short walks, proper posture, and even a bit of limited bed rest can do wonders. And don't forget the hot and cold packs. They're like superheroes for your lower back. Alternative therapies are gaining popularity for sciatica relief. Whether it's yoga, massage, biofeedback, or acupuncture, many swear by these methods. It's all about finding what suits you best. Now, let's talk medicines. Over-the-counter options like acetaminophen and NSAIDs can be your first line of defense. But if the pain persists, your doctor might prescribe stronger medications like muscle relaxants or anti-inflammatories. Steroid injections directly into the affected nerve can also provide targeted relief. Surgery. When all else fails, surgery is the last resort for about 5 to 10 of people with sciatica. If you have milder sciatica but are still in pain after 3 months of resting, stretching and taking medicine, you and your doctor probably will have to talk about surgery. So there you have it, your guide to navigating sciatica and finding relief. Remember, every journey is unique, and it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider to create a plan tailored just for you. The ultimate guide, Hip Flexors. Unlock Your Hip Flexors offers a practical solution to a common problem. With expert guidance, a simple routine, and bonus content, it seems promising. This combines strength and flexibility for optimal hip flexor performance. Relief back pain without any supplement. Download this book, Hip Flexors, from official website. Link in description. Thank you for joining us, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more informative content. Until next time, take care.